Have you ever found yourself just drifting off to sleep and all of a sudden you feel this tightening in your calves or your feet and you have to jump out of bed to stretch and walk off this intense cramping? So I really don't like that feeling. I intensely dislike that feeling. So I've researched and I found something that works for me, and I'm sharing it with you, and so it might work for you also. It is a magnesium spray that has essential oils in it as well. And that's what we're going to make today. Very simple to make. Now, magnesium is a mineral that your body needs to properly function. You can get this mineral through foods such as spinach or chard or pumpkin seeds, bananas, avocados, yogurt. Those are some of the ones that, figs, those have a lot of magnesium in it, so they're good to supplement your diet that way. You can take oral supplements too. You just want to make sure you're getting quality supplements. A lot of people don't know that you can actually absorb the mineral magnesium through your skin. Our skin is the largest organ in the body, and it does amazing functions. And one of it is you can take in magnesium. So the most common way people get magnesium is with an Epsom salt bath. Wonderfully calming and soothing, relaxing. Love them. It can be detoxifying. But today we're going to make a spray that you can use either before a shower, after a shower, before workout, after workout. I like to use it at bedtime to help with this intense tightening of your muscles at a time when you don't want them tight. I keep a bottle of this at my bedside. I'm running low, so I thought I'd show you how I make it as I'm making it. So to do this, you need 3/4 of a cup of boiling water. Filtered water or distilled water is better. And then 1/4 cup of magnesium flakes, the Magnesium Chloride. So this is the brand I had. You could, whatever bright magnesium chloride flakes you can find, and then you stir it until they dissolve. It doesn't take long. And it is all dissolved. You want to let it cool before you add essential oils and put it in your bottles. Now that it's cooled, I'm going to add the oils. I'm going to add about 15 drops. Mix it and pour it into the bottles. So I got 3 of these little bottles filled, and there was a little bit extra out of this recipe. You can also mix it 1-to-1 with the boiling water and the magnesium chloride. This is 1-to-3 solution, so it's a little weaker and I don't have to worry about tingling, and it works just fine for me. You can use it preventatively at any time during the day, or you can use it right as a situation arrives, and within 30 to 60 seconds, the relief is there and you can get a good night's sleep. So how do you use this spray? You can put it on after a shower when your pores are nicely open. It will leave a slightly sticky feeling to your skin. That doesn't bother you, that's great. It goes away after an hour or so. But if you don't like that, then you can do it like 20 to 30 minutes before your shower and then wash it off. Your body will have absorbed most of the magnesium out of it then. Or you can do it at bedtime like I do. And I spritz it on my legs, rub it in. Yes, my legs are a little sticky, but to put them underneath the sheets and I don't notice it. And by morning, that is completely gone. And I have a restful night without that intense tightening of my muscles that I don't like. There are many different oils you can use for this. I like the massage blend from doTERRA. It contains cypress, peppermint, marjoram, basil, grapefruit, and lavender oil in it. So it's very relaxing and anti-spasmodic. I looked in the book and I found at least 46 different essential oils that are anti-spasmodic that would help. This is a combination of several of them. It is made to help your muscles relax and calm and soothe. So it works fantastic for me. I sometimes will just use this. If it happens really quick, I'll just pour some in my hand, add a little bit of fractionated coconut oil, rub my hands together, and rub it on whatever part is too tight. Magnesium is also beneficial in helping you sleep. So some people might like to use the magnesium spray and add a very calming oil, a calming blend, or lavender or pettigrain, something similar to that. Cedarwood is also very calming. It's also good for your skin, and you can do some spritzes of that before bedtime and help you to have a more restful night's sleep. Now, there are a few people that magnesium makes them wide awake. Not very many, but it does happen. So then you'll want to not take it right at bedtime. You will want to do it a little earlier in the evening so your body has a chance to work it into your system and get over that little buzz. Some people will also get a little bit of a tingle with the magnesium spray. If that happens, you can just dilute it down a little bit more, and your body does get used to it. But as it absorbs, especially if you're really depleted in magnesium, you might sense a little tingle, and some people that's uncomfortable. I personally haven't noticed that, but just something to keep in the back of your mind. Yeah. One question I've had asked is, can I use Epsom salts? And yes, they do have magnesium, but it's magnesium sulfate rather than magnesium chloride. And it's pretty drying to your skin if you do it on a spray and leave it on. It's fine in a bath. Usually you're putting something else in the bath to help moisturize your skin, so that it's not so much of an issue. But you want magnesium chloride flakes. So that's just a little bit of FYI. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways you can use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.